Welcome to another bad unboxing. It's Amazon time again. Heavy for an envelope. Ooh, ooh. Oh, you don't want to see that anyway.
Interesting.
Superior paper. Extra low transparency. Hardcover. This is the new L1917. Danken mit der Hand. Paper, 120 gram. This notebook is dotted. A5, medium. I mean, if you don't know what an A5 notebook is, why are you still watching this? Pagination.
Numbers on a page.
Nordic blue. That must be why it's so pale. Oh yeah, get that reflection. Nothing like a reflection and bad lighting for a bad unboxing. That's how we do it here. Wait, you want me to open it? Wait, this is a bad unboxing, are you kidding me? Vacuum sealed? Well, we need a very special tool to open this up. Don't cut the paper. Don't cut the paper. Don't cut the paper. Don't cut the paper. Oh my gosh. Do you know how expensive these things are? This is not cheap. That's why it requires a precision instrument. Look at that.
Careful. It's a precision instrument.
This is the most diabolical packaging ever. I should probably close my dangerous blade. That could have got bloody. I mean, and look at that paper. It's just asking for some red ink. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at it come out of the packaging. I mean, this is some epic stuff right here.
Wait for it.
Oh, did you hear that? Satisfying. Now that the packaging is off, we can actually read this. 203 pages, acid-free. Oh, I guess we're not going on a trip with this one.
I ain't tripping.
I think this is the part where I'm supposed to say like and subscribe. Bookmarks, table of contents, and a pocket. This notebook has a pocket. It doesn't fit in a pocket. You're welcome for another bad unboxing. Here. That's the bonus. Now you have the size comparison.